Appreciate it, Dr. Steven.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, might be getting a ticket. Let's see. Oh, backup's here. Now they're looking at Steven's car.
Can someone take a look under your hood? Is it latched up?
I can unlatch it. Sorry? Yeah, but the hood goes really far up. That's what I was saying. God damn. This fucking sucks. I mean, people are leaving the meet like dicks and I'm getting the one pulled over. Sir?
Yeah, what's up?
I mean, you'll see from my history that I have no tickets in this car, and we just were leaving the car meet peacefully, and people there are, the reason we left is because people are blowing it up. They're doing burnouts and stuff. Like, I respect the roads and I respect you guys.
I actually think your car looks really cool like this.
I appreciate that.
So you're just doing it just for the show?
Yeah.
Over there?
Which, I mean, you guys can see, like, I track this car. I don't just have that fake track car. Like, I have the track stickers here. All the stickers on the car are sponsors. Like, this is why I build the car. It's for them to build it on the track. So, like I was telling your buddy, I've never had a ticket in this car, so.
Yeah, but it's not street legal, and it's not going to be within your smog requirements. You know, your loud exhaust alone is just a super annoying thing that, you know, people who are sleeping in their homes and trying to have a peaceful night, they don't deserve to have to deal with your noise because you want to have a loud car.
But none of my neighbors have complained. They all enjoy my car.
I don't know that.
The children at the school that I work at, when I bring it to school, they all love the car.
I'm sure they think it's cool, but you can't drive it like this on the roadway. You just can't. There's rules for a reason.
Okay, but that car was just driving with their lights off.
Don't worry, I'm too busy with you, and then I'll get them.
Homeboy cop is chill. This lady's out to just fuck people
tank
up.
in the back.
Sorry?
What's that tank in the back for?
It's my gasoline, or
Your gas?
it's so I don't get fuel slosh on the track, so like the car doesn't cut out.
Okay.
Is that a radar detector or a LiDAR detector?
This is just the regular Valentine V1 radar detector.
Is this a camera?
That's a dash cam, yeah. So I can pull my track footage.
Well, she's a beauty.
Your partner doesn't seem to think so.
That's what?
Your partner doesn't seem to think so.
The biggest thing is, so California, they got really tough smog laws.
Yeah, I understand that. Like, that's why I rarely bring this car out.
Yeah.
Like, it's a 2014 and it has less than 30-something thousand miles, so.
So they made it a couple years ago where they want law enforcement to be tough on vehicles that are like this.
I really understand that, and
like, you seem very nice to me. Like, I have no
I support you guys going after like the sideshow people, but what we try to explain to the cops is this is all-wheel drive, so it can't do donuts, can't really burn out. Whereas like people that just left the car show before us, which is why we left, were doing burnouts in the parking lot. But,
did the police show up there, San Mateo?
Well, the guys co-signed it with the police department. There was a guy there, but he left, and that's when they started doing their shenanigans. So the security guard there was watching, so I don't know if he radioed that in or not, but
probably.
I guess just really bad luck on my part, timing wise.
Yeah.
So how bad is this ticket gonna be?
So what it's gonna be is,
Because I have a race coming up, so I don't know how to get that going.
what you'll have to do is you'll have to contact the state rep on there, and then they'll probably want to check out your car, and then you're gonna have to give them, just show them all the paperwork and show them, hey, this is a thing. I was at an event in here. You know, I just happened to take it out on the street. I got pulled over on there. What can I do? You know, so that this won't happen again. And usually, what they'll do is they'll provide you like with like paperwork, and then you just show the cop like, hey, this has been state approved. You know, here's what it's good for on there. Biggest thing is if it's only for a racetrack,
right?
You know, or like a course, then it's only allowed to be on the course. It should be trailered on there, and then the only reason why I'm here is because we have to lift the hood. It's a two-person thing, so or else I wouldn't be here.
All right.
Yeah, it sucks. Sorry about that. Like I said, this looks like a really neat car.
Yeah, I've avoided this exhaust law that people have been talking about for some time. I have a quieter exhaust that I put on for the track because tracks have sound limits. But like people at the shows, you know, they like to see a single pipe, not a quad pipe.
You know, a lot of this started from, it was Fast and Furious.
I can see that.
So a lot of the you know, it was like huge spike in people modifying their cars.
Yeah.
You know, racing them, doing them on the street. I'm sure you see the guys on the freeway. They do the donuts.
Yeah. I can't do that personally, but I've seen the people that do that.
So they give you a bad name for someone who's trying to do it the right way.
We were just, it's so ironic how we were talking about that at the car show with another guy, and then it's really ironic how I get pulled over when I'm very respectful of the roads, and like
shitty luck.
I try to do everything. Yeah.
I know what you mean.
Do you have a car yourself?
We all work by ourselves, yeah.
Oh no, sorry. Do you have a car? Like, are you a car guy yourself?
Well, I used to be a mechanic for 13 years.
Okay.
You know, and then it was domestic and.
Yeah, I actually have a '66 Mustang and a '63 Ford F100 now myself.
Nice.
So luckily those aren't smogged, but they're actually projects, so they don't quite run.
Yeah, I haven't got a project car yet, but been wanting to.
Yeah, I mean, I support you guys in your jobs. You're just doing your job. That's why I have American flags. I support you guys. I think sometimes there's bigger fish to fry.
I know what you mean.
Do you care if I get out of the car and just take a picture of us?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. So
appreciate it.
If you want, you can take a photo. Yeah.
Okay. Here's your information back.
Thanks.
So the bottom line is that you either have a track car or you don't have a track car, right? A track car or a street car.
But I mean,
I'm not trying to be like an asshole and everything. I know it feels like it.
Plenty of people drive their cars to the track that are track cars.
Well, if I see them on my street, I'm going to cite them and send them to state rep.
Alright.
Because you're not supposed to. And that's what I'm doing for you. I'm citing you for having modified emissions. You need to go to state rep. If you continue driving this thing on the street, you will be committing a misdemeanor. You're only allowed to drive this thing to and from a shop and to home from here. I need you to sign right here. By signing, you're not admitting guilt. You're just promising to take care of it. Do you know how to get a hold of the state rep?
No.
Okay, so if you Google it, California State Rep, there's a step-by-step process.
You're saying how to do the state Google?
So just Google California State Rep, and it comes up right away of like a step-by-step process of.
Where's the closest one?
Oh, and I forgot this part. Huh?
The closest one?
The closest one I think is in Daly City.
That's far.
You live in Palo Alto, right?
Correct. So I take this car all the way there?
Actually, I'm sorry. The sticker I'm going to give you is going to have. There it is. The sticker I'm going to put on here has the phone number and not the website, but there's a website.
In how many days?
Well, your court date is August 23rd, so I think you got to get it done by then.
Okay.
But meanwhile, I mean, I'm sure you want to figure out what you're going to do with your car. I don't know if the other option is it to non-op it and have it only towed to the track, so you don't. I'm not too sure what the options are there to try and keep it as a track car without modifying it and fixing it.
So, if I do non-op it, what would
That I'm not. You know what? I'm not too sure. All I know is that you're on the street with it in a modified way, and it needs to be cleared by the state rep in order for you to continue doing that.
Okay.
So there might be other options.
I appreciate you doing your job.
Hey,
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry, man. I just want. First of all, the noise thing is the one that
Yeah,
really
I was
gets
telling
me.
your partner I actually have a quieter exhaust at
Oh.
home. So I should have, you know, just my
Thrown
luck.
it on.
Because I was telling him as well, people just blew up the spot by leaving it donuts and burning out, so that's why we left.
Yeah.
Just impeccable timing.
Right, and unfortunately, the culture, there's not a lot of...
Yeah, I mean, I can't stand the people that
Yeah.
are ruining the
Right.
car culture for us.
I'm a dog person. I hate people who are irresponsible dog owners and ruin it for me.
Yep.
I understand that.
That's very true, too.
My rule is if you drive by me, and I think that... I can imagine you driving down the street while I'm trying to sleep.
Right. Okay. Fair
and
enough.
it's hella loud, and it would bother me or wake me up, then I give you a second.
You must be a light sleeper.
A little bit, sometimes.
All right, well, enjoy the rest of your night. All right. Your boy got state refed. Guess it happened about time, but shit. No, I got some things I gotta figure out. Got some things I gotta figure out. God fucking damn it.